In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
This is The Brief on the Philippines' initiative to boost agricultural exports to Taiwan. Okay, so the Philippines is making a strategic play here, looking to deepen agricultural trade ties with Taiwan. It's a smart way to branch out, find new markets, give their economy a boost, all lining up with President Marcos's vision for stronger agribusiness. So, what should we really take away from this move? Well, first off, they're zeroing in on Taiwan as a key growth market. This isn't just about selling more stuff. It's a clever way to diversify who they trade with, especially with global tensions. It ties right into President Marcos's economic plan for 2025, focusing on growing core industries like agriculture. Second, they really made a showing at Taiwan's Smart Agri Week 2025 in Taipei, showcased a whole range of Filipino goodies: tropical fruits, fancy coffee, artisanal chocolates, bottled sardines. Really good stuff. And importantly, logistics partner Airspeed was there, highlighting how they ensure efficient delivery. And finally, you've got to understand, this is bigger than just selling things. It signals a deeper partnership. See, both sides agree agriculture is essential for equity, a stable economy, even national security. A solid food system is key. This included an investment forum where the Philippines presented its logistics roadmap, their plan for efficient supply chains, and connected their farmers and business owners with Taiwanese buyers, investors, and tech folks. So yeah, this effort really highlights the Philippines' push to boost its farming sector through smart partnerships and targeted market growth.